Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Six Flags Hurricane Harbor Phoenix will remain closed for the 2020 season. Phoenix, 3TV, CBS 5, a North Phoenix water park says it will not be reopening for the 2020 season as planned. The park says that if you already bought a season pass for this year, it will be honored in the 2021 season.
Let's help you make your mark.
Welcome to Six Flags Magic Mountain. Come experience Southern California's most thrilling theme park filled with over 100 exciting rides, shows, and attractions. Park is now open to California residents. Reservations required.
Take our lead.
A Six Flags Hurricane Harbor Season Pass can only be used at that park. Combo Season Passes are valid at Six Flags Magic Mountain and Hurricane Harbor, plus the following Six Flags theme parks after your ID is made in Valencia.
Take our lead.
What does my Six Flags America admission ticket include? Your Six Flags America admission ticket includes a ton. All rides, shows and attractions are covered, with the exception of Skycoaster and Big Easy Speedway. Your admission ticket also includes Hurricane Harbor Water Park, open seasonally.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.